Welcome back to another edition of Cars of Sweden Live. So I'm at home at the moment, just about to check out, see what we got waiting for us outside. Well, that's not too bad. So the AMG C63S is a family car designed for the more adventurous Swede. In the back of the car, it's a classic C-Class Mercedes with plenty of room to get a pram in here, loads of room for your shopping, and of course you got your 12-volt outlet. Oh, and before I forget, let's not forget our remote controlled open and shut hatch. See? Nothing strange here, just a very practical family estate combi vehicle. But it's when we get to the front of the car when things start to get really interesting. That's when we're greeted with a 4-litre V8 dual turbo pushing out 510 brake horsepower. Do you want to know what it sounds like to start an AMG V8? Now the car that I'm currently driving is the 2020 C63S, which is the facelift model. Now this car comes with the much improved 9G-tronic gearbox and 700 Newton meters of torque, which was good for 0 to 100 in 4.1 seconds. Now the 2020 car came with a new aero package which included a new grille design and rear diffuser. Now this car came equipped with the leather bucket seats, which is an upgrade option. I found them quite comfortable actually and kept you in a nice seating position. No chance of sliding out of these. But obviously I'm having far too much fun here on my own. Time to get the wife's opinion. So the AMG, Mercedes, C63S. So what are my thoughts on this car? Well, is it practical? Yeah, I'd say so. You can get a pram in the back, all the shopping you like, some kids, and even take granny to the church on a Sunday. No problem. Is she good looking? Well, if I had to give this German a name, I'd call her Heidi. Heidi Klum. Absolutely stunning. Yep, she's a keeper. I think Mum would approve. But let me leave the last words to the C63S and that 4-litre V8. Big thanks to the guys at Autogruppen. Their details are in the description. Hope you enjoyed the show and see you all again soon for more Cars of Sweden live.